Okay, so let's see how much you know about the India. We have the first trivia GK question. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next we have which Indian city is known as the Pink City? The correct answer is Jaipur. Next is the third desert is located in which state of India? Answer is Rajasthan. Next is which Indian city is famous for its film industry known as Bollywood? Answer is Mumbai. Next is which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Answer is Shah Jahan. Which Indian city hosted the 2010 Hockey World Cup? Answer is New Delhi. Next is in which year did the Narendra Modi first become the Prime Minister of India? Answer is 2014. Next is how many times has India won the Cricket World Cup ODI? That is two, 1983 and 2011. Next is which city hosted the BRICS summit in 2012? Answer is New Delhi. Next is Diwali is also known as the festival of what? You all must know this answer. Answer is lights.